Alright guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna change some ignition coils, but this time I'm gonna go for a different brand, and I got this from ECU Tuning. So I got them right here. Now um these ones are a little bit different. These ones are performance ignition coils, but the thing is, these are made in China. So I didn't know that. I should have read more careful the description, Bill. And well, I'm honestly gonna do a review of these ones because I haven't seen this on YouTube. So I got sets. So I'm gonna change all sets. And I haven't seen this, like, not even on E46 forum, if I pronounce it right. So I'm gonna go with this ones, and I'll do like a review. But this one will be like how to change the ignition codes. I know there's a bunch of YouTube videos out there, but I'm just gonna throw this one in there. uh these ones they look pretty cool, I'm not gonna lie, but like I said, the bad thing about these ones are like made in China. So um I'll post the link on the description. And yeah guys, so right now I'm just gonna take one out to show you guys real quick, because I'm always recording with one hand and I'm doing the work with the other one, so I cannot do everything at once. Oh yeah, I got one out. So here it is, the new ignition coil. Now there's two different ones, so make sure you got the right one for your car. This is for my car. So there's two different ones, so make sure the year of your car and all that, and the type of engine you have, so be careful with that. Let me just get this one out. So here it is, the new one. And the tools you're going to need is just flathead screwdriver and a 10mm socket. So yeah, let's get this in there. So to remove the caps, you need a flathead screwdriver here, and another one out here. I don't know if you could see it right there. Once you get those out, you're gonna need the 10mm socket. So now that you remove them, you need the 10mm socket to remove these nuts. Yeah, and make sure you do the one on the back. I don't think my hand could fit over on the one in the back, but I usually never tie this much, just so it could make my job easier the next time. See? So once you remove them both, this should come out, but first remove the oil cap. Just put them somewhere, and this should be able to come off. All right, so now they're exposed. Don't forget to close, put the oil cap back, just so it doesn't get dirt inside. Right now it's a little bit windy out here, not much, but you know. So okay, so this is cylinder 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So to remove this, you need to lose these bolts here, 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 and here, and so on. So there's only 6 because this is a inline 6. So now that they're exposed, let's grab this one. I believe it's a 10. Yeah. So I'll get back with you guys after I'm done losing this both. So once you lose both bolts, you lose this one. I forgot to tell you guys to first lift this like a bracket, lift it up, and you could disconnect. So like I said, just lift this, and once you lift it all the way up, push it and it should come out. So I managed to take the old ones. These are Bosch and these ones are the performance ones. I did notice this, that these ones are really loose a little bit. That might be an issue, I don't know, but I'll do a review after, like I'll give it like 2 or 3 months, and then I'll do a review video of this. If I noticed something earlier, because these are Chinese, I didn't know they were Chinese. I should have paid more attention to the description. But if I notice something or something goes bad, then I'll do a video probably earlier than that, but let's hope not. So this was a really simple job. It took me almost an hour because I'm recording and doing this by one hand and everything, but this shouldn't take you more than 30 minutes, maybe less if you have power tools. But just be careful with this screws. Put everything back, don't forget about the cover. And yeah guys, I didn't do much. I didn't went through a lot of details here because my SD card is almost full, so I should have checked that before. But I mean, I'll put everything back. It's the same process as earlier. Put everything back, easy. And yeah guys, I'll see you guys later on the next video. Stay tuned, and if I notice something, I'll probably just comment on the comment section below. So stay tuned, and don't forget about watching my description in the video, because there's a few things I did notice, but like I said, I cannot do it. I can't make this video longer because of my SD issue. So yeah guys, subscribe, like, and I'll see you next.